Hello, my name is Chris Asaro, and I am president of Holt Construction. Holt Construction is one of the country's leading builders, and we are especially recognized for our work in the aviation sector with a large portfolio in the Northeast as well as across the country. We have been working at Newark Liberty International Airport for over 30 years, and our offices at the airport are always open to you. Holt is very committed to diversity and including small and local businesses, especially MWBEs, local businesses, and veteran-owned businesses in our projects. Our work also supports local residents to help them build a career in construction. This year, we have launched a new program, Building Newark Airport Together. That features special sessions every Friday, noon to 1 p.m. These sessions provide you with important information about contract and career opportunities and will open the gate to building your business and your career with us. Today, our session is a very important one. It reviews all of the steps you will need to take to pre-qualify with Holt Construction. Today's session features our pre-qualification team who will take you step by step through our pre-qual process. Now, it's my pleasure to welcome your program host, Alexandria Parati, Holt's Director of Corporate Initiatives and Strategic Planning. Welcome, Alex.
Thanks, Chris. I'm Alexandria Parati, and I'm pleased to serve as your program host for our Opportunity Fridays series. Opportunity Fridays are important sessions that will introduce you to what you need to know about working with Holt Construction, as well as the specific contract packages that are available for bidding on Newark's Terminal A. We also want local residents to learn more about how they can work with Holt Construction, as well as on our airport projects. As an organization, Holt is truly committed to building Newark Airport together. Each of our Opportunity Friday sessions are devoted to a specific topic and include an opportunity for live questions and answers. At the end of each informational session, we will review direct contract opportunities that you may be interested in bidding once you have pre-qualified with us. So let's get started with today's session, Holt's pre-qualification application, steps to success.
Good afternoon. My name is Pamela Skidmore, and I'm a project manager with Holt Construction. Let's demystify Holt's pre-qualification application and its review process. Led by Holt's pre-qualification team, this session will take you step by step through Holt's pre-qualification application. You will learn what documents to prepare, how best to present information, and how to organize your own documents for updates and easy access as you move forward. Let's begin with introductions with Jessica.
Hi, I am Jessica Rondash, and I'm the Manager of Corporate Strategy and Development.
Thank you. Next, let's introduce Rosie.
Hi, I'm Rosie Collage. I'm Project Coordinator for Holt Construction.
And last, let's introduce Nikki Bennett.
Hi, I'm Nikki Bennett. I'm Contracts Manager with Holt Construction.
Thank you. And let's start with the slideshow presentation with Jessica.
Thank you. So I'm going to go through how you can pre-qualify with Holt. So the first step is to communicate with us. So the first thing you want to do is email our pre-qualification team at the email ewrta@holtcc.com with the subject line Newark Terminal A pre-qualification request. In your email, you want to include the following information: the opportunity in which you are interested in. If you don't see a specific opportunity, please list the types of services you may be interested in providing, and we'll get back to you with the details about whether there will be opportunities or if there will be something available later during the life of the project. Also include your firm's trade specialty or professional capabilities. If you have a capability statement, please include it in your email. Also include your point of contact. We'll need to contact you, so please include your email as well as your telephone number. What happens next? Once your request is received, our team will start your pre-qualification process immediately. If a proposal due date has passed, please feel free to reach out to the team to inquire if an extension may be granted. Now I'm going to turn it over to Nikki and Rosie to explain the documents you will need.
Thanks, Jessica. I will start with the documents you will need. Once we receive your request, you will receive a link to begin the pre-qualification process. There are several documents that you will need to complete the pre-qualification process, and I'll start with one, W-9 form. This form enables you to provide your taxpayer identification number. It's a form you can obtain by going online to your bookkeeper and downloading the form. Number 2, sample certificate of insurance. You should reach out to your insurance broker and request your certificate of insurance. This form states the coverages you have under your current insurance policies, the insurance you must carry, and confirm coverage for include general liability insurance of $1 million, auto insurance $1 million, umbrella liability $5 million, and workers' comp of $1 million. Number 3, New Jersey Holt Master Agreement. The link to download the master agreement is in the pre-qualification application. You should read this agreement, and then if you are in full agreement with its terms, execute the agreement. The agreement may only be signed by an officer of your company. Number 4, Corporate Health and Safety Plan. A health and safety plan, or HASP, is an important part of managing your workforce on the project. If you don't have a formal HASP, please contact your insurance broker or reach out to our outreach team for help. Number 5, the litigation log. This is a summary of any litigation or regulatory actions that may have been taken by your company or against your company. Now I will turn over to Rosie to continue.
So number 6 is corporate financial statement. Your most recent corporate financial statement, as prepared by a CPA, must be uploaded. If you don't have a certified financial statement, you may satisfy this requirement by providing 3 years of tax filings and a current profit and loss statement and balance sheet. You will need to call your accountant to get the latest documents. Number 7 is your EMR rating. Your EMR rating is your experience modification rating. An EMR, or experience modification rating, also called an MOD rating or factor, is used to price workers' compensation insurance premiums. Think of it like your credit score or car driving history, where others consider your history as an indication of future risk. You can contact your insurance broker for your current EMR rating. Number 8 is MWBE certifications. Please upload all of your MWBE certifications. We encourage you to become certified with the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey. If you are certified with the state of New Jersey, you should look into becoming certified with the Port Authority. If you are not certified, please begin the process as soon as possible. Number 9 is the safety requirements. Each company and all of its workers must certify that it has met OSHA 30 safety training. That includes OSHA 10 certification with 20 hours of additional safety training. You will also be asked to submit your safety plan. And lastly, number 10, completed pre-qualification forms. Once the pre-qualification form is completed, submit the form to us. If an item is missing, our online system will notify you of omission. If the application is complete, it will be submitted to Holt's pre-qualification team.
Thanks, everybody. Let's touch on frequently asked questions. Jessica, what should you do if you don't have the right documents readily available?
So you can start filling out the application without having all the documents available, because you can go back in and edit. Before you submit, you'll need all of them. So we recommend you just getting in touch with anyone that might need to help you, insurance broker, the safety department in your company, et cetera, so you can get all the documents to be able to submit.
And to further that question, Nikki, how should we be working with your professional team, for example, your accountant, bookkeeper, insurance broker, site safety manager, or other consultants that assist you in your business?
Sure. So you should definitely consult with your internal bookkeeping or your external accountant, your safety person, and your preferred counsel to help assist you with completing the pre-qualification.
Okay. Jessica, how do you access technical assistance at Holt?
So if you need technical assistance with your application, email us at ewrta@holtcc.com. And then if it's something that we can't solve, we'll involve building connected support and we'll get it worked out.
And how does one get the pre-qualification application, Jessica?
And very similar with that, email us at ewrta@holtcc.com and we'll send you all the information you need to do the application.
Now, Nikki, where should we send our pre-qualification information to?
Sure, you should send it to ewrta@holtcc.com.
Jessica, I already have a pre-qual with Building Connected. However, I'm unable to add in any updated information, including updated registrations, certifications. Is there someone I can contact to fix this?
Yes, so you should definitely email us at the ewrta@holtcc.com email, and we will reopen your application. This is very important because we don't want you to do a whole new application. If we reopen your application, you could just edit the information that you need and everything else will stay in there. So definitely reach out to us.
And to follow up on that, Jessica, Holt uses Building Connected. If they're already on Building Connected, does that mean we're registered with you as well? And if they have a profile on Building Connected, does that mean they're registered with Holt as well?
So a profile and an application are different. So if you have a profile with Building Connected, that's going to be separate from doing our pre-qualification application. Also, if you've pre-qualified with another company in the past, that's still something separate, and you still need to pre-qual with us. So you'll need to set up a profile. And if you already have that, you'll need to do the pre-qualification application with us.
Great. Now, Nikki, does the scope of work change what requirements need to be provided in the pre-qualification process? For example, a small contract of less than $50,000 or $100,000, will that require the same insurance coverages?
Yeah, so regardless of the contract size, if you'll be on site, the pre-qual requirements are the same, particularly with the question regarding insurance requirements. However, if you will be a material only supplier, the requirements will be different.
Great. And on that note, we can discuss insurance as it relates to the pre-qual insurance questions. So, Nikki, umbrella coverage is expensive. If I don't have required insurance coverages, should I still pre-qualify with Holt?
Absolutely. You should definitely still complete the pre-qual and reach out to your broker and provide a letter of insurability to show that you will be able to meet the requirements if you're awarded the job.
Great. And lastly, Jessica, do the insurance and safety criteria requirements apply to non-construction related vendors such as suppliers or consultants?
So the requirements are going to totally depend on what kind of services you provide. What we recommend is you fill out as much as you can. Anything that doesn't apply to you, just write NA or leave it blank. And when we're reviewing your application, we'll take into account the type of company you are and the type of services you provide while we're reviewing that. And if we need anything else, we'll let you know.
Well, thank you both. And now let's go to Alex, who has our current opportunities for the Newark Terminal A.